Oh, it's working. We're here at the Cal-Bryant garage in Map View. We have a nice smashed window. I'll send it to 4.
Really smashed in like that.
Oh, Dover Vandal is rare. Actually, despite the cracked glass, this window is pretty clean.
It's cracked on the outside. I wonder how this happened.
Probably someone punched it.
Have you sanded it down?
Yeah. Got this weird indicator layout where the arrows are here and here, and the numbers are stacked. Here's the permit. Oh.
Whoa. Bummer went out. Should we end on 4?
Yeah.
And then switch over?
Mm-hmm. Can I get a photo of the fixtures? Thanks.
I can view. Oh, you can see up into the shaft.
Oh. Let me get that too.
More notices. Oh, you can see up here as well. It's cool.
Pretty slow.
Yeah, pretty slow. What's the difference between this one and this one?
This one was replaced. It's missing the metal.
Interesting. Alright.